India is a land of great diversity in relief, climate, soil, natural vegetation, animal life and other resources. Point 1. Geographical location and extent of India. As we all know that India occupies a central position in the eastern hemisphere, it lies at the head of the Indian Ocean. It is described as a subcontinent mainly because of its large geographical area. India is the 7th largest country in the world and second most populous country after China. It composes of vast area of diverse land masses. The total geographical area accounts for about 2.4% of the world, that is half of Australia or one-third of Canada. Hence, India is considered as a subcontinent because it has all characteristics of a subcontinent. Relief features. It has varieties of relief features. In the north are the lofty mountains of Himalayas, which consist of highest mountain peaks in the world, that is Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, etc. The great Indo-Gangetic plain, which is well known for its fertile soil, is only 275 meters above sea level. To the south of this plain is the plateau of peninsular India, which comprises the oldest block on the earth's surface. This plateau is fringed by eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. Hence, India as a land mass have varied relief features due to its vast diversity. When we come across with the climate, climate have a very important effect on the development of the country. It affects the physical features, soil, occupation, food habits, clothing, vegetation, housing, distribution of population, etc. As India is near to the equator and its position at the head of the Indian Ocean, it has monsoon type of climate, that is hot and moist in the summer, warm and dry in the winter. Hence, it has a tropical climate in the south and a temperate type of climate in the north. Soils. Soil in India varies from one region to another. The variation in the soil change is on the variation of the bedrocks or the composition of the bedrocks. Excessive heat and differences in the distribution of rainfall have led to a special characteristics of the soil in India. Indian soil have been divided into 4 categories such as alluvial soil, black soil, red soil and laterite soil. Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation has a great influence on every development of a country. It provides timber for the houses, ships, railways, firewood, etc. and raw materials like paper, medicine, oil, etc. The characteristics of vegetation of a country depends on its temperature, climate, rainfall, soil, etc. The forest in India covers about 22% of the total land area. They include evergreen forest, mountain forest, coastal forest, dry forest. The chief varieties of forest in India are alpine forest, temperate forest, subtropical forest and tropical forest. When we come across with the fauna or the animal life or biological diversity, India is known for the biological diversity. It ranks 12th among the countries of the highest biodiversity in the world. It has 37,000 species of plants, 89,000 species of animals, 12,000 species of birds. That is nearly 13% of the global biodiversity. Animals provide food in the form of meat, dairy products, clothing in the form of wool and fur, raw materials in the form of hides, skin, bone, feathers, manure, etc. They also provide occupations such as pastoral activities, etc. Rivers. Rivers and lakes are the natural resources of a country. India has many river systems. Rivers form the basis for the irrigation, domestic purposes, generation of power, navigation, fishing, industries, etc. The rivers of North India are perennial, they flow full throughout the year and they are snow fed. But the rivers of the South India are non-perennial or seasonal. They will not have enough water in the summer.